solid green.
Yeah.
And this one, is that just a different variety?
Well, there's like the green ones, black one,
Oh.
and then they come in variegations.
So this variation is the type of plant?
No, like the yellowing of this one, I think that might be root rot. So like it looks like it's dying because it's probably too wet.
Too wet.
Yeah, because normally when you get the yellowing like this, and then this is a good example right here. So when you get a yellowing and then you get that brown there, and it's very flimsy, that's
I water it too much.
Yeah, how often do you water it?
10 days in the summer.
Once every 10 days? Yeah, is it dry when you water it?
I'm so afraid that I miss watering.
Yeah, because what this could be is it's either one or the other. So if the soil goes really dry and then you water it, because yellowing is usually a sign of like drought.
Yeah.
And then when you water it, if you water too much at one time when the plant is dry, the plant has to release the water that it doesn't want. And then this is what happens when it releases the water, it stains the leaf. And you can see like, you know, like a lot of these smaller ones, these all have the browning too.
Yeah.
So that's usually like a sign of either like if it's root rot, then it'll be going brown, like yellow, and then brown because the roots are rotting, and that's too much water. Because usually on a pot like this, you would probably want to let it dry at least about that far down. And then
really?
Yeah, and then give it about maybe like in a pot like this, I'd say maybe, you know, if it was only dry there, I would give that maybe like half a liter or maybe, you know, 1 liter.
Oh, okay, into the middle.
Well, the whole pot itself, yeah. And because you're only trying to re-moisten the part that dried out. You're not trying to like get the bottom more wet. So I'm guessing with the amount of yellow leaves on it, it could be that the root system is dying.
Is it the plant is gone? Do you think?
No, like
is it solvable?
It is.
Savable?
It is, yeah. Because like all these yellow ones will fall off though. So all these will come off, and then you'll have like your new leaves here.
Okay.
And the reason why the leaves are never getting larger than this would be probably because of not enough light. And that's because like these leaves should be like this big.
That's why I put it here.
Outside?
No, I put
like here,
it was
yeah.
there, and
Yeah.
I put it here.
When did you put it here?
About 3/4 of a year ago.
Oh, okay, because I was say if it was recently, you can always wait to see if the leaves get larger because it's closer to the window. But definitely, like I would let it dry out.
So it's too wet now.
I think so, yeah, because it feels quite moist.
So how often should I water it?
I mean here, like, you know, once every week to once every 2 weeks. Like if it's once every 10 days, then it could be maybe it went too dry.
Once it's dry.
No, like I mean, like if you water like one time every 10 days, then it could be maybe too dry. It depends on how warm it gets. Like, is there any heaters in here? Like is there any heater?
No.
No heater? Okay. Because like a heater, if you had heaters like on the floor, sometimes with the heat,
Yeah.
that'll also dry the soil out very quick.
Yeah.
So that can, you know, make you water more often. But if there's no heaters in here, then you're okay. Because normally houseplants, they don't like too much like dry air. So I would maybe let it dry out first for a little bit.
Yeah.
Every 7 to 10 days, you want to feel the soil. And if the soil is still moist up to your first knuckle or your second knuckle, then let it go a few more days dry.
Okay.
But if this is dry within 5 or 7 days, then you might have to water more often. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
No problem. I know. I was looking at it when I was standing out here when we first got here in the morning.
Yeah.
I was looking and I go, the plant doesn't look too happy in there.
Yeah. So I'll see you with a photograph of that